Makayla Puts It Off by Lions Kids Club. Procrastinate. That's a big word. It means to put something off for later. There's an old saying, why put off for tomorrow what you can do today? This is the story of what happened when I procrastinated. Makayla. Yes, Mom. Are you cleaning your room? Sort of. What do you mean, sort of? I guess my room is a bit messy. I should clean it up. Okay, Mom. I'll get it done. Don't forget, if you don't get it done by Saturday, you're not going to be able to go to the water park. Okay. I guess I really should get to cleaning my room, but if I have until Saturday, I'm going to play. This is my favorite park. I come here to play a lot. My favorite part of the park is the jungle gym. Woohoo! I love sliding down those big slides. Then I'm going to stop by the candy store, get a couple of pieces. I love bubble gum. But there's so many different things to choose from. I don't know what to pick. There's saltwater taffy, lemon drops, raspberry gum drops, all different kinds. What's your favorite type of candy? I guess I'll just get ice cream instead. Okay, now, I know I need to do something, but I'll get to it. I'm gonna play today. Time is ticking by, and Makayla has not started to clean her room yet. She's played with toys. She's even gone to read books at the library, which, under normal circumstances, is a great thing. Woohoo! This has been the best week ever! Wait a minute. Bubbles. Bubbles. Bubbles and water. Bubbles and water? Bubbles and water? Oh no! I totally forgot to clean my room. I had an entire week to clean my room, and Mom said, "No water park for you, Makayla." If I didn't get my room cleaned. Maybe if I try to do it. Oh, but it's Saturday morning, isn't it? We were supposed to go to the water park today, but because I procrastinated, which means I put off cleaning my room, now I won't be able to go to the water park. Mom said instead of going to the water park, I get to go with her to the apple orchard. Well, the apple orchard is not so bad. Next time, I'll be sure to not procrastinate and clean my room. Or better yet, keep it clean. But the apple orchard is not so bad. My favorite type of apple is the Golden Delicious. Thanks for watching. And don't procrastinate on hitting that like and subscribe button. Lions Kids Club. Lion Kids Club, where good kids have great adventures.